One thing about La Criolla Cafe, they don't miss when it comes to flavor. We got stew goat, octopus, steak, fried plantains, fried chicken wings, and that stew goat chipotle and rice. Everything smelled too good. What's going on, beautiful people? Today we are checking out La Criolla Cafe here in Winter Haven. Let's go. Yes, guys, so over here they have the pastry section. They have different variety of cakes, all right?
This is chicken gizzard.
Chicken gizzard? Oh, nice.
Yeah. You said this is goat?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's
I'll
goat?
Yeah. I'll try the goat.
Ooh. It looks good. Yes, guys, so as you can see, this meal is like the complete meal. It comes with like a rice with vegetable. It's like a stir fry with rice in a way, but it's not stir fry. It's like steam with pork, vegetables, like carrots, cilantro, and a few onions, a whole bunch of different stuff. You have some sweet plantains right here, and this is the stew goat. It includes carrots, potatoes, and some other stuff right now, but I'll get into it in a bit. I'll let you know exactly what I'm tasting, how it's tasting, and we'll go from there. Yeah, so we're gonna start off with the sweet plantains, guys. This is good. Sweet plantain is fried perfectly. Now we're gonna try the rice. It's hot and steamy. Look, see all that steam? I'm gonna let you know how the flavor is, the texture, the seasoning, all that good stuff. This is nice. I've never had rice like this before. With the pork and the vegetables. This is different. I don't know the exact name for this dish, but like I said, it's good. It's good so far. The seasoning is very light. It's not a lot of powder seasoning in it, so it's not salty or anything. The flavor from the pork, the fresh vegetables, you're tasting all that. And so far, I'm impressed. The potatoes, wow. And all you need to do, guys, you just gotta mix the rice, with the goat meat, all that sauce combined together, and just take a big bite. Yeah. After this, we're gonna check out the pastry side, their dessert. We're gonna do some taste tests, let you know what they're working with, if it's a hit or a pass, but so far, everything's excellent, no complaints, and customer service-wise, guys, everyone's friendly, so yeah, man. So we have some fresh soursop juice right here. It's not thick, it's more liquidy, and I think they call it jugos guanabanana. I think that's what it's called, but it's soursop juice, but it's very refreshing, being in the heat all day, in the Florida weather. This is the perfect drink right here. And it's only $4.50, guys. Not expensive at all. If you want that exotic natural fruit, you gotta pay for it, right? So this is worth it. And we ordered two of the same thing, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but it's two goat meat, chivo. All right, stew goat. It's $2. It's $14.99, which is pretty average. The price is not expensive at all. If you're gonna go out to eat and you want like a healthy, hearty, good meal, you know, home cooked style, you can't complain about the price. The price is average. I don't see anything wrong with the price. It's well worth it, if you ask me. All right. But let me tell you guys, the flavor in this stew goat is to die for. It's something else. You know, they even added a lot of seasoning, a lot of herbs and stuff like that. They have the bay leaf, you know, carrots, cilantro, onion, thyme, everything. All the herbs that you can think of. It's in this dish right here. I'm definitely coming back, guys. Definitely coming back to check them out. Next time, I'm gonna try something else on the menu because I've already tried this and it's a hit. 10 out of 10. And I think they have a few different locations here in the area, so I'm gonna leave their address for this one in the description. And if you want, you could, you know, Google search and you'll find one that's close by you. Yes, guys, I am stuffed. I'm satisfied. I'm full. But guess what? There's still a little bit more room left for that dessert. All right, so we're gonna try out the dessert and let you know what's going on. All right, let's go. That looks nice. Yeah, it looked like a strawberry shortcake. And that's the bread pudding. That looks like creme brulee.
That's like a guava and cheese.
Guava and cheese, maybe. That's some type of chocolate stuff. Chocolate. Or it could be coffee. Coffee and chocolate, I don't know. So, everything looks good so far, guys. But I think I'm gonna go with this right here. It looks pretty with the little gold flakes on top. That's what I'm gonna get. She might get the bread pudding or something else, guys. So we'll let you see in a bit. Yes, guys. So like I said, I was gonna start on the dessert next. Deandra, my wife, she got some type of chocolate cake with what's on top? Some type of nuts, peanuts, and more chocolate, I think. I have the raspberry type of shortcake with some cream filling on the inside, and they topped it off with some gold flakes. Over here we have some strawberry cheesecake. All right, so I'm gonna test out the raspberry shortcake and the chocolate cake in a second. I'll let you know how it is. Yes, guys, and for all three desserts, it's only $12.24. You can't beat that, right? Yes, so we're about to do a taste test. I don't even need a spoon for this. You don't need a spoon for this. Look, we're just gonna dive into it. Wow. Look, guys. This is so good. Let me tell you, I'm not even a big fan when it comes to pastry, but this is it. This is good. There's a nice soft cream on the inside. See? They topped it off with some raspberry jelly, raspberry glaze. It's so good. All right. Wash it down with some soursop juice. Yes, guys, I'm stuffed. I think that's it for me. Yeah. You want to try this? Yeah, I'm going to try the chocolate cake real quick. And then I'm tapping out. All right. This is the chocolate cake. Just gonna try a nice little bite. Not much. This is nice and rich. The chocolate cake. You're tasting all that chocolatey flavor inside of it. A lot of moisture. It's not dry. I love it. Definitely a 10 out of 10. All right, guys, so we're at the end of the video, and let me tell you, everything was amazing. Everything was excellent. The customer service, the food, the ambience, everything. You know, if you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. See you in the next video.